I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Line, and this is episode 265 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions. He answers the questions, we read the questions, and the answers. And we take the cool, the lives, the myths, the funny, the weird ones, and we put them here for you. So on today's episode, we're talking about, I'm checking in for my cruise, but I don't see where I can put in Breeze Airlines. Fahrenheit 555 has the Wagyu burger. Will they bring back the Wagyu steak? Can we get walk-in pools on the ships for people with mobility issues? What exactly do I receive for my 25th milestone cruise? And how far out can I start booking shore excursions, spa treatments, stuff like that?
And this is straight from the Yak's mouth.
All right, this cruiser was checking in for their cruise, and they noticed in this section when they ask about flight info to the port that yes, you can skip it, but they don't offer Breeze Airlines as one of the options to select. John said, that's funny. Someone else just asked him about this, and he's already sent to a note to his colleagues to have it added. So we've never been on Breeze Airlines. Have you guys? Put the comments down below. Question 2. This cruiser is looking to book the steakhouse, Fahrenheit 555, and they know they have a Wagyu burger, but they want to know the chances of the Wagyu steak coming back because it was so yummy. John says he does not think it will be coming back, and he knows that the burger is massively popular. So apparently the burger is more popular than the Wagyu steak itself. But I can tell you, when we go to the steakhouse, there's definitely quite a few tables that have that burger on there. I think I might have to try it next time because it does look delicious. So if you like the Wagyu steak, you're gonna have to get a Wagyu burger. Speaking of like, if you like what you see and you enjoy cruising content, please like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate that. Question 3. This cruiser wants to put in a request for ship design layout to accommodate walk-in pools on the new ships being built instead of ladders. Not everyone can climb the ladders, and not everyone with mobility issues needs to use a chairlift. Just some steps would work out great. John said some of the ships do have it. The Carnival Venezia and Firenze already have this at the main swimming pools. The Mardi Gras Celebration and Jubilee also have them in the summer landing pools in the back of the ships. So it seems like they are adding these to all the newer ships. I'd imagine it'd be very hard to retrofit the old pools because they're really small. And if you put a step in there, it's going to be half the pool. But they are doing it, and so you don't have to use, I think, as one of the people put it to John, the human teabag dipping machine. So they're forthcoming. But even us getting out, we're not mobility challenged, but that ladder, that can be challenging at times. So I 100% agree with these folks. Question 4. This cruiser wanted to know what exactly do they receive for their 25th milestone cruise. John said, well, you receive a beautiful new shiny milestone card, looks like the diamond card, used to anyway. And then on your 26th cruise, you'll be able to apply for a 25% onboard credit. We've seen other people that the room steward, room attendant, cabin attendant, whatever they're called these days, puts a nice little cute message on the mirror and celebrating whatever milestone it is. And with the new program, I know they're going to change the milestone from number of cruises to days. So it's going to be 50 days for the first milestone. The 100 days will be the second, and then every 100 days after that will be an additional milestone. Don't know exactly what they offer, but they're going to do a little something for days, not cruises, number of cruises. So, last question. This cruiser was wondering how far out can they start booking shore excursions, spa treatments, specialty restaurants, water to the room, all of that. They're still 1 year out, they said, and that app is not showing any options. John said they usually try to get this online for the most part about 6 months prior to the cruise. That said, I know we've booked a cruise 18 months in advance and they already had excursions out there. But we traditionally do it from our laptop or the computer, so maybe it's a little bit different in the app. They don't add them on there for a while. I don't know, but when you book the cruise, check at that time. A lot of times there is stuff available to book, especially with the excursions, they do sell out quickly. This has been episode 265 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. Thanks for watching. Please take care.